Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Master Mathematics. Today's topic is matrix plus 2 max. These are my questions. Here the problem is given. Construct 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to e raised to I x sin jx. This is the question. We have to construct a 3 by 2 matrix. That means 3 by 2 matrix means we know that is 3 rows and 2 columns. This is the form. 3 by 2 matrix means 3 rows and 2 columns. In our channel we have done so many problems based on matrix, so please check it. It is easy topic of the matrix. We can score maximum marks, so let us keep watching. Here we have to construct 3 by 2 matrix means 3 columns and 3 rows and 2 columns. That means here we have to write Aij equal to, here the condition is this 3 rows and 2 columns means 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to 3 and 1 less than or equal to j less than or equal to 2. This is the condition. 3 rows and 2 columns. That means we know what is A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. This is the format of 3 by 2. That is 3 rows and 2 columns. So we have to find the elements of this A11, A12, A21, A2. That is 3 rows and 2 columns. That is why we have to find these elements based on this Aij. Given the condition is e raised to ix and sin jx. That means we have to substitute in place of I 1, 2, 3 and in place of j 1 and 2. Let us see this here. Here Aij is a matrix is equal to e raised to ix sin jx, where 3 by 2 matrix means 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to 3 and 1 less than or equal to j less than or equal to 2. This is the condition. Let us see one by one we will do. So first element is A11 is equal to, here we have to substitute I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. That is equal to e raised to 1x and sin 1x is equal to e raised to x sin x. Okay, next element is A12. A12 means I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, e raised to 1x sin 2x. That is equal to e raised to x sin 2x. Okay, it is very easy. So next here A21. A21 is equal to I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. So e raised to 2 into x sin into 1x. That is equal to e raised to 2x sin x. Okay. Next, moving on to A22. So A22 is equal to I and j is equal to 2. That is equal to, here e raised to 2x into sin 2x. That is equal to e raised to 2x sin 2x. Same way, next we have to find A raised to 3, 1. That is I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 1. So I is equal to 3, j is equal to 1 means e raised to 3x and sin j is 1x. That is equal to e raised to 3x and sin x. Next, same way here, A32. That is equal to I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 2. Let us see. E raised to 3 into x into sin 2 into x. That is equal to e raised to 3x sin 2x. This is the formula. So the matrix becomes here, the matrix 3 by 2 matrix becomes here. First A11 e raised to x sin x, and next A12 is e raised to x sin 2x. Next e raised to 2x sin x, e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x sin 2x. Next e raised to 3x sin x and e raised to 3x sin 3x. This is the format of the 3 by 2 matrix. Let us see. A11 is e raised to x sin x. A12 is e raised to x sin 2x. Next 21. e raised to 2x sin x, 2 2 e raised to 2x sin 2x, 3 1 e raised to 3x sin x, e raised to 3x sin 2x, sorry, here 2x sorry. So this is the format of constructing matrix. The given condition is Aij equal to e raised to ix and sin jx. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, 3 by 2 means 3 rows and 4 columns. First of all, if you got this type of problem, first of all you have to write this basic form, then only you can do the elements, otherwise you will be mistaken. Okay, first of all we have to write the form matrix, 3 by 2 matrix of 3 by 3 matrix. We have to write the elements a11, a12, a12, that like we have to write in the right side. Then you have to find the elements based on this condition. That is very easy to score marks. Otherwise it will be mistaken. Okay, if 3 by 2 matrix means we first of all think about how many rows and how many columns. After that we have to write the form. Then do the problem. It is very easy to score marks. Okay, I hope you all understood this. If you have any doubts, please message on the comment box. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Then only you can get more notification whenever I post new videos. So thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Till then, bye.